guys, my name is Lily and I will be talking about the homework gap. So what is a homework gap? So this term references to students who have or continue to fall behind academically due to their ability to have access to the internet. So the gap is noticed as teachers begin to increase their utilization of online resources that benefit academic progress of students. This gap was noticed in the 2013 census. So it showed that 40% of the population did not have access to internet at home. So the question, do you believe that internet should be classified as a necessity for all students? You can write your response. Connect Home USA. So this is a program that was suggested by the Obama administration. It was considered to be a solution for the homework gap, but the services provided are delivering devices, internet, and training of basic computer skills and coding in Maker instruction. So this organization helps families with school-aged children who live in two types of housings. The first one being the U.S. Department of Housing and the second one being Urban Development Assisted Housing. So there are 25 communities who benefit from this program, and only one of them is in Kansas, and that would be in Lawrence, Kansas. So coronavirus. So this percentage of students that don't have access to the internet has went down from 40% in 2013 to 14% today. However, it still affects the lives of students and eliminates the interactive learning experience that students could have online. Online learning offers a variety of learning tools for students who struggle with paper-pencil learning, which makes learning difficult when the only option, because of the lack of having internet, is to utilize packets that teachers send home. So another question, which method of teaching is easiest for you to learn from? KASB and E-rate. So the Kansas Association of School Boards has urged the Federal Communications Commission to improve Kansas students' access to home internet service by accepting E-rate funds to be used for home internet access. So I was completely unaware of E-rate and that was a program that schools and libraries used to obtain affordable broadband. So if they start accepting this E-rate, then students would then be able to have a little bit more access to home internet service. So that's pretty cool. And here are my references. Thanks.